here I am plugging away. I'm a little mountain man guy. Been working on his face and hair and beard and such. And I want to kind of show you how I'm cutting in the hair. I'll get this referred to it as a plow, but it's a triangular file that I've ground down and then clipped off very sharply at the end, which makes 3 sharp little scraping blades, and it's great for doing like parting tool work, fine lines and such. It tracks nice and straight, so use that to cut in these fine little lines. This is some moose antler, which carves really nice for a hard thing. I mean, it's not basswood, but it carves really nice, and it's kind of the consistency, I'd say, of elephant ivory, sort of. It's about that soft, but it's more like super compressed and super dense rawhide than a bone sort of material. So it's got a little bit of give, but yet it takes fine detail. I thought it would be an appropriate material for carving such a little woodsman. So anyway, that's pretty much how it goes. Almost done. I didn't want to miss the opportunity. Of course, I'm going to be doing a lot of fringe work and stuff, and probably use a very similar technique for that. Thanks for checking that out, and have a great day. Talk to you later.